Hey y'all, it's Amethyst with WTI, and today we're talking phones. It's incredibly difficult to go over everything that a good phone has in a short video, but what I will say is that I've had this phone since the day it came out and it's still going strong and working perfectly. This is the Samsung Galaxy S21 in the lilac color. So let's first talk about this color, because that is absolutely gorgeous. It has almost like this opaque finish, like semi-matte, and I love that there is this rose gold color around the edges and around the camera portion of the phone. This phone has done an incredible job for me. I use my phone for work, so I'm constantly having many apps open at a time, and the battery life has still withstood the test of time. I literally have 5 different apps taking my GPS location at a given moment, and it still has a great battery life. I've had no slowdowns or sluggish use. I'm seriously in love with this phone. The software is incredible. I'm no professional photographer, but I will say that this has taken the best photos than any phone I've ever owned before. I'm so in love with the camera and the software for the camera on this phone. Again, I use this thing for work, so I'm constantly having maybe up to 10 apps active and being used at one time. I use it for video editing, I use it to play video games. I am absolutely in love with this phone. It's incredible. If you're looking for something that's kind of basic but is going to do an incredible job, I highly recommend this phone. It is easily my most favorite owned phone to date. Highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.